Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.5 question number 13 to 18. Okay. So here we have question number 13. If a equals 3, 1, minus 1, 2, then we have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to O, where it is a null matrix, hence find A inverse. Let's solve it. Here we have given matrix is 3, minus 1, 1, 2. So, a square is equals to a into a. Put the value of a, that is 3 minus 1, 1, 2 into 3 minus 1, 1, 2. On multiplying, here we have first row by first column, it is 8. Now first row by second column, here we have 5. Second row by first column, here minus 5, and second row by second column we have 3. It is the value of a square. So now a square minus 5a plus 7i equals, put the value of a square, that is 8 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 5 into value of a, that is 3 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 7 I is 1, 0, 0, 1, that is equals to 8 minus 5, 5, 3 minus, on multiplying by 5, here we have 15 minus 5, 5, 10 plus here 7, 0, 0, 7. Now on solving corresponding elements, then we have here 8 minus 15 plus 7, here 5 minus 5 plus 0. In second row, here we have minus 5 plus 0, and here 3 minus 10 plus 7, that is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0 equals null matrix equals to 0. Okay. So here we have a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to 0. Now multiplying by a inverse, we have here a square into a inverse minus 5a into a inverse plus 7i into a inverse equals to 0. It can be written as a inverse into a, here minus 5, that is I, a inverse equals I, plus 7, here a inverse equals to 0. Clearly a inverse equals to I, so here IA minus 5I plus 7a inverse equals to 0. So here we have 7a inverse is equals to 5i minus a, that is equals to 5, value of I, that is 1, 0, 0, 1, minus a, that is 3 minus 1, 1, 2. So we have 7a inverse is equals to, here on multiplying by 5, 5, 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 1, minus 1, 2. On solving the corresponding elements, then we have here 2 plus 1, here minus 1, and here 3. So a inverse is equals to 1 by 7, 2, minus 1, 1, 3. That is equals to, here 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7, and 3 by 7 is the required value of A inverse. Now let's see the next question, question number 14. Here we have a matrix A, 3, 1, 2, 1, Find the numbers a and b such that a square plus aa plus bi equals to 0. Hence find the value of a inverse. Let's solve it. So here a square is equals to a into a, and value of a is 3, 1, 2, 1 multiplied by a. So here 3, 1, 2, 1. On multiplying by row by column, here we have first row by first column, it is 11. First row by second column, here 8. Now second row by first column, here 4, and second row by second column we have 3. Now it is given that a square plus aa plus bi is equals to 0. It is given. So put these values. Value of a square is 11, 4, 8, 3 plus a into value of a is 3, 1, 2, 1 plus b into I, that is identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 is equals to 0. So here 11, 4, 8, 3 plus here we have 3a, 2a, a and a plus here b, 0, 0, b is equals to 0. On solving the corresponding elements, here we have 11 plus 3a plus b, here 8 plus 2a plus 0. In second row we have 4 plus a plus 0, and here 3 plus a plus b is equals to 0, means null matrix, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now on comparing the corresponding elements, here we have comparing this element of second row, we have 4 plus a equals to 0 and 3 plus a plus b equals to 0. On solving, we have a equals minus 4 and here 3 minus 4 plus b equals to 0, that gives b equals to 1. So here we have these are the values of a and b. Now putting a equal minus 4 and b equal 1 in a square plus aa plus bi equals to 0, we have a square minus 4a plus I equals to 0. Multiplying by a inverse, we have, it can be written as a inverse into a minus 4 a into a inverse plus I into a inverse equals to 0. So here we have a inverse equals to I. So here IA minus 4i plus a inverse equals to 0. To find a inverse, it is equals to a inverse equal 4i minus a. Put the value of I and a. Here we have 4 into 1, 0, 0, 1 minus value of a is 3, 1, 2, 1. So a inverse is equals to here 4, 0, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 2, 1. On subtracting the corresponding elements, we have the value of a inverse is 1, minus 2, here minus 1, it is 3. So a inverse is equals to 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3. Okay, clear? So let's see the next question, question number 15. For the given matrix A, we have to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i3 is equals to 0. Hence find a inverse. Let's solve it. First we have to find a square, that is a into a. And value of a is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1 1 minus 3, 3. Multiplied by a. So again put the value of a. On multiplying, we have first row by first column. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 2. First row by second column we have 1 plus 2 minus 1. First row by third column we have 1 minus 3 plus 3. Now second row by first column 1 plus 2 minus 6. Here 1 plus 4 plus 3. And here 1 minus 6 minus 9. Now third row by first column, here we have 2 minus 1 plus 6. Here 2 minus 2 minus 3. And third row by third column we have 2 plus 3 plus 9. On solving, we have the value of a square is equals to here 4 minus 3, 7, 2, 8 minus 3 and here 1 minus 14 plus 14. Now we have to find a cube, that is equals to a square into a, equals 4 minus 3, 7, 2, 8 minus 3, 1 minus 14 plus 14. Multiplied by a, and value of a is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1 and here 1 minus 3, 3. Same. On multiplying row by column process, we have first row by first column. Here we have 8. Now first row by second column, here we have 7. First row by third column, here we have 1. Second row by first column, we get minus 23. Second row by second column, we have 27. Second row by third column, here we have minus 69. Now third row by first column, it is 32. Third row by second column, we have minus 13. Third row by third column, here we have 58. It is the value of a cube. Now, a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i3 as given in question. So put the values of a cube and a square and a. We have here 8 minus 23, 32. Here 7, 27 minus 13. And here 1 minus 69 and 58. Minus 6 into value of a square is 4 minus 3, 7, 2, 8 minus 3. Here 1 minus 14 plus 14. Plus 5 into value of a is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1 and here 1 minus 3, 3 plus 11 into I3, that is identity matrix of order 3. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. On solving, here we have 8 minus 23, 32, here 7, 27 minus 13, 1 minus 69, 58. Minus, on multiplying by 6, here we have 24 minus 18, 42, here 12, 48 minus 18 and here 6 minus 84 plus 84 plus here multiplied by 5, then we have 5, 5, 10, 5, 10 minus 5 and here 5 minus 15 plus 15 plus here we have on multiplying by 11, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0 and 0, 0, 11. On solving the corresponding elements, here we have the first element is 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11. Here 7 minus 12 plus 5 plus 0, and here 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 0. In second row, we have minus 23 plus 18 plus 5 plus 0. Here 27 minus 48 plus 10 plus 11, and here minus 69 plus 84 minus 15 plus 0. Now in third row we have 32 minus 42 plus 10 plus 0. Here minus 13 plus 18 minus 5 plus 0, and here 58 minus 84 plus 15 plus 11. On solving, clearly we have here 0, 0, 0, here also 0, 0, 0, and third row is 0, 0, 0 is the null matrix. Okay. Hence, a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i3 is equals to 0. Okay. Now to find A inverse, first we have a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i3 is equals to 0. So multiplying by A inverse, it can be written as A inverse A into A square minus 6 A inverse A into A plus 5A into A inverse plus 11I3 into A inverse equals to 0. So that is equals to A inverse A equals I. So IA square minus 6IA plus 5I plus 11 A inverse equals to 0. So 11 A inverse is equals to minus A square plus 6A minus 5I. Put all these values, we have minus value of A square is 4 minus 3 7 2 8 minus 3 1 minus 14 14 plus 6, and value of A is 1 1 2 1 2 minus 1, and here 1 minus 3 3 minus 5 I, that is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it is equals to here minus 4 3 minus 7 minus 2 minus 8 3 minus 1 14 minus 14 plus multiplying by 6, here we have 6 6 12 6 12 minus 6 6 minus 18 18 minus, here we have 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. On solving the corresponding elements, we have in first row, here we have minus 4 plus 6 minus 5, here minus 2 plus 6 minus 0, here minus 1 plus 6 minus 0. In second row, we have 3 plus 6 minus 0, minus 8 plus 12 minus 5, here 14 minus 18 minus 0, and here minus 7 plus 12 minus 0, here 3 minus 6 minus 0, and here minus 14 plus 18 minus 5, that is equals to here minus 3 9 5, here 4 minus 1 minus 3, and here 5 minus 4 minus 1. So the value of A inverse is equals to 1 by 11 minus 3, 9, 5, 4 minus 1 minus 3, 5 minus 4 minus 1. That is equals to, on multiplying by 1 by 11, then we have minus 3 by 11. Here 4 by 11, 5 by 11. In second row we have 9 by 11, minus 1 by 11, minus 4 by 11. In third row we have 5 by 11, minus 3 by 11 and minus 1 by 11 is the required value of A inverse. Okay, clear? Let's see the next question, question number 16. Here the given matrix is A and we have to verify that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equals to 0 and hence find A inverse. It is same as question number 15, so you can solve it. First you have to find A square, that is A into A. Put the values of A and multiply. After that A cube, that is A square into A. Now put these values in A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I and solve. You get a null matrix. Okay. After that we have A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equals to 0. To finding A inverse, multiplying by A inverse. So it can be written as A inverse A into A square minus 6A into A inverse into A plus 9A into A inverse minus 4I A inverse equals to 0. That can be written as IA square minus 6IA plus 9I minus 4A inverse equals to 0. It is equals to A square minus 6A plus 9I minus 4A inverse equals to 0. So clearly we have 4A inverse is equals to A square minus 6A plus 9I. Using this, you can find easily the value of A inverse. Okay. So let's see the question number 17. Here we have A non-singular square matrix of order 3 into 3. Then determinant of adjoint A is equals to. So let's solve it. Remember, determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A raised to power n minus 1, where n is the order of the given matrix. Okay. And here the given order is 3. So determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A raised to power 3 minus 1. That is equals to determinant of A square. So option B is the right answer. You can also verify it by using any example. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Question number 18. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equals to. We have to given that A is invertible. Clearly, determinant of A is not equals to 0, so A inverse exists. And given that A is an invertible matrix, so A inverse is equals to I. So determinant of A inverse is equals to determinant of I, that is equals to 1. It can be written as determinant of A into determinant of A inverse is equals to 1. That gives determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A. So clearly option B is the right answer here.